Hey guys, my name is Lana and I'm a head pattern maker at IndieSource. Today we're going to show some work we can do on patterns and digitizing. So first step in digitizing is to actually start typing on a keyboard that is located at the digitizing table. I can put a style number in there, I can put category of the piece, I can assign a rule table, I can give a piece a style number, I can show the system which way the grain line is going to go, and let's start. So we're going to assign a style number to the piece. We're gonna assign a rule table. We are going to start digitizing the grain line, and we're going to trace everything around every point of the garment. So we're gonna start right here, and we're gonna go over the side seam. We're going to assign the notch. We're gonna come to the armpit. We're gonna go on a curve around the armhole. We're gonna jump to the high point shoulder, go around neckline, jump right down to the hemline, and see where the garment ends. We can also assign control points, and we can mark on a piece where the pocket is going to be, and we're also going to mark center back neckline. So here we're going to finish the piece, and it's pretty much done. So once the pattern is digitized, I would go to my station, and we are using latest and greatest Gerber PDS software. PDS stands for Pattern Design System, and we can do any kind of adjustments on a screen that I can do with my hands. I can fold pieces, I can close the dart, I can do a million things. So first thing we're going to do, we are going to flip seam allowances, and we're going to start working the piece. So we're going to start working the piece. As I'm working the piece, I already see a little mistake. My notches do not align, so I'm going to move that line. I'm going to make notches connect exactly where they should be, and we're going to keep working the piece. And then when we come to the corner, there is a little discrepancy in there, so we're going to create a nicer, beautiful curve around the side seam right here. We're going to shape it so we have a beautiful line. Pattern cannot be angular. Pattern has to have a beautiful curves to go around the body, and then it's going to work out perfectly. So basically, when I have pattern pieces on the screen, I can literally do everything on the screen that I would do with my hands. I can fold pieces, I can work pieces. So first order of business, I would be flipping seam allowances, right? So now, this is the block line. This is where the sewers will be stitching side seam. That's the front. This is the center of the back. Yoke right here. Boom. Back armhole. See how pattern comes together? And it's this side, and then there is overlap right here. So this is back, this is center back right here, this is center front right here, and I can walk my pieces and check them. For example, let's enlarge. You see how pattern pieces have seam allowances right here. This is the fold line. This is how the sewer knows how to fold hem, and we're gonna strip all the seam allowances. I'm gonna flip them first. You see how everything is inside out now, and we're gonna delete them from the view all together. And now we can put pattern together and see how everything is aligning. So let me just put it together quickly. That side right here. So basically this is center front right here. There is a center back right here, and we are going to start working the front yoke piece. I have a working tool. I'm gonna tell my system which line I'm going to be working on this line right here, and I'm going to connect it to that line right here, and we are working. Oops, do you see how notch does not align? So we need to fix that. We're going to flip the piece. There is a little corner right here that is not working either, so let's start fixing it. Neckline is okay, everything is fine, so let's start fixing it. I have another tool that can move my point right here. Everything is matching perfectly. Sewers will have no problem to stitch that. And now also I have this little corner situation that we need to address. And let's do it. When I enlarge it, something does not align right here. The line is not straight. And it's a subtle difference. No one will probably notice, but we know. And it needs to be perfect. So I'm going to enlarge that area, move the point. Here, and then this point is going to be realigned, and also this line needs to be a little more of a continuous line. Let's add point right here, and now we can shape it. You see how everything is just beautiful smooth curve. And we have no production problems of any kind because everything is like matching and aligning. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to Total LA for coming out and check out what we're doing in here. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and we'll see you next time. Our website address is www.indiesource.com. Come over, we'll take your idea, we'll put it on the paper, we'll make your dreams come true, and I'll see you defeating. Bye.